Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Sahera, and today I am whipping up a smooth and creamy, delicious cream cheese frosting. Whether you're frosting cupcakes, layering a cake, or using this cream cheese frosting for your cinnamon rolls, this is a must-have. So let's get started. Before you get started, you want to make sure your butter and cream cheese are at room temperature. And then we'll cream our butter and our sugar together. You can use a hand mixer. I just always use a stand mixer, but you're gonna start this at medium speed and blend it until it's smooth. Next, we're gonna gradually add in our powdered sugar. You wanna make sure that you add your powdered sugar in while your mixer is on low, or else you will have powdered sugar all over you. Once the sugar is added, you can increase the speed to about medium until everything is combined. Now we want to add our flavor, so we're going to add our vanilla. Also, I add a splash of heavy whipping cream. It makes a difference, believe it or not. 1 tablespoon will make a difference. So yeah, this is just my recipe. There's so many recipes out there. I'm showing you how I make it, and I use this cream cheese frosting for everything. Once you've added all your flavor, you want to just give it a quick taste. If it's up to your liking, then go ahead and mix this for about a good 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and smooth and creamy and light. Just a trick here, I didn't show it here, but a good way to get a nice light and airy frosting is to switch out your paddle attachment for your whisk attachment. And that's it. Really simple cream cheese frosting. I'll also put a link to my cinnamon roll video, and you can just make sure you add this cream cheese to your cinnamon rolls when the cinnamon rolls are nice and hot, because it'll melt down nicely on the cinnamon rolls. This is the same icing I use for my carrot cakes, my red velvet cakes. Definitely a staple to have cream cheese frosting on hand. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on delicious recipes. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.